Here's how to create a glowing character outline in CapCut PC. Start by importing your video and placing it on the timeline. Select the clip and use the Remove Background tool to isolate your character. Then, go to the Adjust panel. Set the exposure to 50. Find the curve section and drag the Luma curve point from the bottom left corner up to the top left corner. Next, duplicate this clip and place the copy directly above the original on a new track. Select this top clip. In the Adjust panel, set the saturation to -50 and the exposure to -50. Go back to the curves, select the Luma curve again, and drag both points down to the bottom of the grid. Now, with the top clip still selected, go to Video Settings and under Basic, reduce the scale to about 95%. Finally, go to the Effects tab, search for the Glow to effect, and apply it to the top clip. In the Effect settings, set both the glow intensity and size to 100.